I'm Chris Malucci, Technical Sales Manager for Therma-Tru Doors. In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to install and operate a Therma-Tru multi-point locking system. Let's get started. Lock cylinder, Phillips head screws, cylinder screw, nylon bushing, interior backplate, exterior backplate, gasket, lever handle, set screw, handle set shaft, install the gasket into the backplate. Install the backplates into the door with the screw heads toward the inside of the home as shown. Install the nylon bushing. Assemble the handle set shafts as shown. Install the handle set shaft into the handle, making sure the heart-shaped piece is toward the set screw hole. That way the set screw will seat properly. Insert the set screw into the set screw hole, and when you're done, the set screw should seat flush. Install handle. Install exterior handle and tighten down set screw. Install the ring wrench into the deadbolt cylinder to maneuver the actuator into position. Insert deadbolt cylinder. Attach thumb turn using set screw. Insert cylinder screw. Tighten down backplate. Remove shipping clip. The lock is not handed, so it can be reversed to match the handing of your door.